In this video, I'm gonna show you how to transfer to Wise account. Started first of all, you have to go on your Wise application, and here you have to log in your account and go on the home page. Now you have to click on the send money, and here you have to add the amount. Once you add it, you have to simply click on the continue, and here you have to add the contact by their name or email. You have to add the name or the email. Once you add it, you have to simply click on the continue, and here you have to review the details of your transfer. Once you review it, you have to confirm it. Now here you have to simply click on the finish and the pair. Here you have to add the password. Once you add the password, you have to click on the done, and here is the approved transfer by using the app. So that's how you can receive money on Wise account.